What is going on, you guys? I wanted to make this video really short and show you guys a really good do-it-yourself oil change tip. So if you guys are changing your oil at home, like me, definitely use Mobil 1. Well worth it. The best oil you guys can buy, winter or summer. So as I'm letting my oil drain, you guys can see right there. You guys can see it draining. My car takes 3.5 quarts, almost 4 quarts of oil. So I have a quart left over. So if you guys have extra oil, this is a great tip for you guys. So normally people would wait till it's done draining out and then they would put the bolts on and fill it up with oil. Call it good. But me, I don't want any of that black oil in my car. My car's engine. So once that's done draining, get your extra oil. Pour it in. Pour some extra oil down there. And wait. And you wait until it's not black anymore. See how clear that is now? It was black before. Super clear. Once it's clear, done draining, call it good. Put the bolts on, fill it up with the oil. Make sure you change your oil filter. You guys are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like down below. Share, subscribe if you guys are new. See you guys on the next one. Peace.